What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we will be looking at exercise 39 of our Python exercise tutorial series. Without any further ado, let's get to it. Exercise 39. The greatest common divisor of two positive integers n and m is the largest number d, which divides evenly into both n and m. There are several algorithms that can be used to solve this problem, including initialize d to the smaller of m and n, while d does not evenly divide m or d does not evenly divide n. Do decrease the value of d by 1. Report d as the greatest common divisor of n and m. Write a program that reads two positive integers from the user and uses this algorithm to determine and report their greatest common divisor. Okay, guys, so looking at this question, we see there's not much for me to actually discuss, right? Reason being, essentially what they've given us here is some sort of pseudo code, and using that pseudo code, they want us to apply the proper Python code to construct this program. The goal is to find the greatest common divisor between two positive integers, and these two integers are going to be read from the user as they told us here. So let's get to it. N and M, we'll use that. First positive integer, second positive integer, that's good. Now straight to the while loop, because essentially all we are doing is following this pseudo code. While d does not evenly divide m, so let's focus on that first. M or n? Well, let's do n first since we initialized n first. So while d does not evenly divide m, so n mod d not equal 0, or, and they specify, let's check it out here, there's this portion here, d does not evenly divide, okay, m in our case since we already did n, d does not evenly divide m. That's good. Let's enclose them in a parenthesis. The parenthesis will enable us to have, that one large condition, d equals d minus 1. That's good. That's really all there is to this program. And now it's time for, printing some output. So after the while loop has executed, d value would have been updated, and then we can provide the user with a simple output message. That should be good, guys. I see I'm being flagged here for an error. Let's see what's the issue. Invalid syntax. Ah, yes, I forgot the 0. Oh, okay, guys. So d equals min of n and m. So I actually forgot that line. That's an important one because it's the initialization of d to the smaller value of m and n. So essentially what's happening here is within the minimum function or min function in Python, we are passing in our two values. So the min function, this is a little help window kind of thing that shows up. See, with a single iterable argument, return its smallest item. So that's good. With two or more arguments, return the smallest argument. So that's essentially what we are doing, n and m. Let's now proceed to run the script, guys. This program is a short one, not much explanation because we are following this pseudo code. Let's do some interesting values, maybe 13 and 5. Yeah, let's try 5. Oh no, let's make it 5. The greatest common divisor of 13 and 5 is 1. Makes sense because those numbers are prime numbers as well. Let's do something more interesting. Maybe a 100. 100 would be good. And maybe 120. This is cool. The greatest common divisor of 100 and 120 is 20. That's good. The program is working, guys. It's working quite well. Greatest common divisor of 34 and 30 is 2. Yeah, and with that, guys, we've successfully completed exercise 39 of our Python exercise tutorial series. With that, good luck with your work, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.